Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make long division. First, identify the dividend, the number being divided, and the divisor, the number doing the dividing. Next, set up your problem using the standard long division bracket. You'll place the dividend inside and the divisor outside. Start the process by looking at the first digit or 2 of the dividend to see how many times the divisor fits into it. This foundational step is crucial for solving more complex problems efficiently. Once you've identified the initial division, follow the divide, multiply, subtract, bring down sequence. First, divide the current part of the dividend by the divisor and write the quotient digit above. Then, multiply that quotient digit by the divisor and write the product below. Subtract this product from the current part of the dividend. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number. Repeat these 4 steps until all digits have been brought down. Sometimes, after completing the division process, you'll find a number left over that is smaller than your divisor. This is called the remainder. When this happens, you write the remainder next to your quotient, typically preceded by the letter R. For example, if you divide 17 by 5, the quotient is 3 with a remainder of 2. You can also express this remainder as a fraction, 2/5, or convert it to a decimal for more precise answers. The best way to master long division is through consistent practice. Start with simpler problems, like dividing a 2-digit number by a single-digit number, and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Always double-check your multiplication and subtraction in each step, as small errors can lead to incorrect final answers. Remember, patience is key, and with enough practice, you'll become proficient. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.